To set up extended unlock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to look for lock screen and AOD, and then we can go to the extended unlock. If you cannot see this option, that means you need to set up your screen lock first. So you need to have a password in the form of pattern, password, or PIN to continue. Now, if we go for extended unlock, we should see three options for it. There's on-body detection, which means if you enable it, your phone will detect if you're carrying it with you, and then if it should never lock down, so you'll be able to just swipe up to unlock it. The other option is trusted places. When you enable it, you'll be able to select a space on the map that allows your phone to be unlocked there all the time. You will need to use location service all the time to make that work. Then there's trusted devices, which means if there's a device connected with your phone, for example, headphones, if they are connected, you'll be able to also keep your phone always unlocked. And that is all of the options. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.